They threw this in. It was part of the deal. The Submitti built recovery strap. Why do they gotta make them so heavy? Now the thing is, to make this work with my tire carrier, okay, I got the bumper in. I got the bumper on, but it's getting late and I still gotta put the license plate and the wiring and the lights and stuff in there. I think this carrier is a little narrower, or in other words, this truck is wider than the Tacoma. And the issue I'm going to have is with these corners. That's where the brackets go. So here's the hinge bracket. And this is made for the Tacoma rear bumper from FabFours. This is the Colorado rear bumper. Slightly different. The ends of this bumper here are angled right here. They taper in, and then you got this hole here for the footstep. So that's going to be a bit of an issue. Yeah. See, the bottom piece is made to bolt up to a flat piece, flat like that. I may be able to get the top piece on. I gotta line the whole thing, and I can't hold the thing up by myself here and line things up. I'm probably gonna have to like make something, some kind of a stand to hold it so I can line it up on both sides. I don't have the same issue on the other side. And that takes a lot of time. You know, it's a whole day's work there, just figuring things out. It's possible, though, it's possible, you know. But you gotta check the distance out from the bumper, side to side, top to bottom. Make sure it clears the tailgate when the tailgate opens. I had all those issues making the bumpers on my other trucks. I try to think of everything, but, you know, it's like, oh damn, there's always something you miss. But it's in. I need to finish tightening things up, and I gotta put these license plate lights. I think I need to change them out of the other bumper, and there's some other things I can do tomorrow. It's just, dang it, it's already 7 o'clock. It's getting cool out here.